What's up everybody, Remington from Impulse Creative, and today we're going to talk about how to target your chatbot playbooks based on dynamic segments. Now, don't get this confused with excluding your playbooks based on dynamic segments. You now have the ability to target specific segments that you define within your contacts to show certain playbooks. This can come in really handy when you're trying to nurture people down the funnel. And so what we're going to do here is show you how to target, and you can also check out this video on the top 5 segments that you should be defining in your Drift account. But let's go ahead and jump right in. So what we have here is I've created a playbook and I've got some questions already defined. What you're going to want to do to define the specific segments that you want this to show up for is you're going to want to go to audience under targeting. When you go to audience under targeting, we've got a don't send to and we have a send to. So there was in the past the don't send to has always been there, but the send to has. And so the cool thing about this is you've got a variety of filters. Some of the filters you've got are, not engaging if a contact is engaged with sales, or make it so that they can or will not engage if they've had a recent conversation. But if we want to be specific to a certain list, you now have the opportunity to say you do want them included or you don't. So for instance, if I wanted this to continue on after someone has downloaded a conversational marketing template from us, then we could say include. But then if I don't want them to get it because they've gone through this chat already once before, you could say that you don't want them included here. So the theory of this would be that this would show up for someone who is in this bucket but not in this bucket. The really cool thing about this is you can start to really segment these chatbots to make sure that they focus 100% where you want them to be, and it allows for hyper segmentation that can really change your conversion rates and make it so that you start seeing some pretty dramatic results. Imagine being able to accelerate your marketing pipeline faster because you're actually having conversations at the right time in the buyer's journey, not just based on the interactions they have on the website. So go ahead and press publish, start seeing your filtering, start playing around with it and measuring those conversions. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly in the comments or on Twitter. I'd love to chat with you and learn more about how you're using this feature. If you'd like to subscribe to some more videos like this, we're doing these daily, you can do that here. If you'd like to see other tutorials that we've done already, you can go ahead and do that right here. But until next time, I'm Remington from Impulse Creative. Have a great day.